Well, I lost some of the clips, however, I do have the finished product.
Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We'll have a ball. Hello everyone, are you struggling to grasp the techniques of mini braiding your hair? Well, this might be just the video for you. So we're working with clean and detangled hair sectioned into bantu knots. So after loosening the bantu knots, I created my first section. I separated these sections just to ensure that my hair will not tangle, so I'm trying to reduce tangling as much as I possibly can. Here I'm creating two sections from the main section, and one of those sections I'm going to divide that in half. So in total I should have 4 braids in this first section. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to create 3 sections from this mini section, right? So these are going to be the arms now of the braid. I'm going to take the arm on the right and the arm on the left, right? So the arm on the right will basically overlap the one that is in the center at all times. Okay, so there we go. The right covers the center, right? And then I'm going to take the left and overlap the center, the one that is in the center. And now I'm going to use the one on the right, overlap that leg that is in the center. The one that is on the left, overlap the one that is in the center. One that is on the right, overlap the one that is the center. And then I'm going to continue this procedure. So 3 arms, the one on the right overlaps the one in the center, and then the arm on the left overlaps the one in the center, and I will continue. So just look at this motion. At the end of the braid, I try to seal the ends with shea butter, just to reduce breakage, because you know how fragile or sensitive our ends are. So I'm going to repeat the procedure. So we divide this section into 3 legs. 1, 2. Alright, so we have the 3rd leg. So remember now, watch me. The one on the left covers the center, right, overlaps the center. The one on the right now is going to overlap the leg on the center, at the center, sorry. Good. The one on the left overlaps the leg at the center. The right overlaps the center, right? And then I'm going to speed up the procedure. Okay. So I'm going to show you probably about 2 more times until we get it. Alright, so look closely. The one on the center, one on the right overlaps the center, one on the left overlaps the center, one on the right, overlaps the center, right, left, center, right, overlaps the center, and then we just speed the process. So once we get that right over center, left over center, then we can move a little bit faster. So I hope you get it. I think I'm going to do it another time, so if you didn't get it, we can do it again. All right, just doing a little length check right there. So let's go. So 3 legs again. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so let's go again. So right covers the center, left overlaps the center leg, right overlaps the center, left overlaps the center. So just look at what I am doing. So each time, right over the left, left over the right. Now if you are wondering, do we have to overlap the right leg before the left leg? No, it is just your preference and how comfortable you are. Be repeating the procedure a few more times in this video, so just sit back and examine the technique.
I lost some of the clips, however, I do have the finished product. Alright, so this is what it turned out to be. So I placed some rubber bands on the ends so that it wouldn't shrink. Right, so I'm just going to unravel it and show you what the finished product looks like. I haven't styled it as yet, but let's see. Now, please note the parts are not defined, so don't come for me. Please don't come for me. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Here you have it. Yeah. Right, I look like a mad person now, but I'm going to fix them, don't worry. So these are what you actually call mini braids. Don't know how long they're going to last, but we're gonna make it work, man. We're gonna make it